Hello everyone, good morning. Warm welcome to your My Investment Mastery series. I'm Priyanka Bhatia from Women on Wealth. And today yet again we're going to talk about one topic inside of mutual funds. And today's topic is, where can I look for all the information on mutual funds? Which are the places, websites, locations that I can use to check the mutual funds, the information on mutual funds. So today I'm bringing to you all those websites that you can tap into to look for mutual funds. And well, the web is filled with information. You and I know that. You go to look for one and you get hundreds and thousands of things. But today I'm going to help you streamline a little as far as looking for the information is concerned. Hi Pooja, Nidhi, good morning Rajeshwari, warm welcome everyone, and yes, warm welcome to my Women on Wealth community. So let's begin. Some of the good websites that I want to talk about. The first one is the SEBI website, the Securities Exchange Board of India. Okay, Securities Exchange Board of India, like all of you know, is a regulator. And on its website, you can find a lot of information on mutual funds. So whenever you notice I'm looking on my right, I'm looking at all the notes that I've created for you. So SEBI's website has all the information on all the mutual fund regulations and all the latest new fund offers which are being introduced by mutual funds. There is also a lot of educational material that you can get on the so there's a section in the SEBI website which is called Investor Education. And in that section, you can get a lot of information on mutual funds, a lot of educational material. Yes, it's a lot of theory, but it can contribute over time if you have started investing. So that's one. The second one is the Mutual Fund Houses website. Okay. That's another website, and most of the fund houses have all the latest and extensive information about their daily fund schemes. Okay, most of these fund houses, they have latest extensive information about their funds, specific schemes, how they are investing, what are the daily net asset values, which means how much price at which each unit is being sold daily, the latest news or any updates which are happening. They also post monthly fact sheets, investment forms, online transactions. So a lot of things are put out, okay, on these mutual fund houses website. So there is SEBI website, okay, especially the investor education section. There is the mutual funds website and special information on all schemes, updates, etc. The third website that you can use is AMFI website. Okay, this is the Association of Mutual Funds in India. This is their website and they put all the industry numbers. So a lot of macro information on mutual funds you can get here. Also, yes, there is information on the latest mutual fund schemes. Again, what is the asset under management, AUM, how much each mutual fund is worth, historical data, etc. is available. And the biggest thing which is available are all the industry numbers, because that's what the association is for. So that's the AMFI website, the third website that you can use. And fourth are, third party websites, which are different experts, which are bringing about useful analysis, comparison. They're putting out news and ratings on mutual fund industries, everything. So there is moneycontrol.com, there is valueresearchonline.com, there is CRISIL, there's Economic Times, there's morningstar.in. So these are all the third party websites that you can use to look for information on mutual funds. So yes, these are all the places. Please start typing which all websites you're going to explore in this week. Please start typing. Hi Nishtha, Ashima, Kaveri, Jina, Sindhuri, Sarita, Shelly. Good morning guys. Diksha, you're saying how to go about investing in mutual funds for the first time. So Diksha, the first step that we follow is learning. So there is a proper step-by-step methodology to learn good quality, to learn how to pick good quality mutual funds. So you learn that methodology and then you pick good quality mutual funds on your own and then directly you invest without dependence on any broker, advisor, husband, bank relationship manager, etc. So that's the method that we follow at Women on Wealth when it comes to investing in mutual funds. And that too for the first time or second time or any time. But we believe in becoming educated investors. That's how we practice. Okay, everybody, please start typing. Kaveri, you're going to go over the SEBI website, the investor education section. Okay. AMFI website also you're going to check this week. Got it? Yes, we've been together in the program looking at the third-party sites. Yes, go for it. Okay, Sindhuri is also going to check the AMFI website. Brilliant. Yes. So I think that AMFI website seems to be connecting with a lot of you, today. Okay, Nidhi is saying SEBI website is my call. Sure, go for it, Nidhi. Interesting. What about others? Anybody who's going to check out any of the websites? Okay, Pooja, SEBI and AMFI both. Okay, got it. And please start typing how is this information helping you. Because everything we need to learn how to put everything into practice. Right? सिर्फ theory सुनने से information junkie बनने से तो नहीं होएगा. So, what are you learning? And well, practice part is going to the websites and checking. Okay, Nishta is also saying SEBI and AMFI for her. Okay, got it. So what are you taking away, everybody? Please start typing. Okay, Nidhi is saying it was quite an exploration. Thanks to you as always. Thank you so much, Nidhi. Yes, and I love all those hearts coming in, all of those who are sending them in. Okay, Ashima, your connectivity is bad. You'll need to catch up. Sure. Watch it. Check the websites. Yes. Sarita is saying I'm going to check the status of the funds. Go ahead. Go ahead. Absolutely do that. Brilliant. Okay, great guys. So thank you so much. Anybody who would like to share this video because this may help others too. So how many of you are sharing the video? Type in shared after sharing. Kaveri is saying now that I have actually researched and started my first mutual fund investment, I am emboldened to look into more. Sure, go for it. And I'm proud of the money gymmer that you are. Everybody who's listening, new ones who have not learned how to pick good quality mutual funds, first learn that and maybe this information becomes more useful for you after that. Okay, Sarita has already shared the video. Thank you so much, Sarita. Got it, Kaveri. Thank you for sharing. Loads of love, everyone, and keep coming back for making 1% improvement in your money life. I now see you tomorrow for the decoding of the Economic Times newspaper. Nidhi is saying Money Gym was such a blessing to me. Thank you so much for all that acknowledgement, Nidhi. Keep rocking, and I look forward to seeing you move from financial abundance into more abundance and more. Never-ending possibilities. Ashima, thank you for sharing the video. On this note, I'm closing this live. Take charge, stay safe, and I see you tomorrow for the decoding of the Economic Times newspaper.